Hello everybody, this is Mr. Rodriguez coming at you for another one of our daily activities for casual learning with Mr. Rodriguez. Today we're going to be working on the daily activity for April 27, 2020's floor plan. As always, I hope this video is reaching you in good health and good spirits. I hope your week has started off great, and I hope the days are just going to get better and better as they go by. All right, let's jump right into it. What I'm looking for from you today is I'd like you to make a floor plan of your room on grid or graph paper. Now, in every single one of your take-home packets, you should have got a booklet of graph paper to use for your various assignments. So on your graph paper, make your floor plan and calculate or really measure the dimensions of everything in your room. So what Mr. Rodriguez has done as an example, he went inside his room and figured out everything. I have my bed, a couple of dressers, my TV, and a little nightstand here. And I use as my scale a 1 inch to 1 foot scale. Now, what we're also going to be doing in today's activity is calculating the total area of the room. Well, when I made my measurements, I found that my room is 12 feet by 13 feet. So that gave me a total of 156 square feet. And now for the last part of our activity, we're going to be figuring out what the percentage of our beds are. And when I did my measurement of my bed, I found that it was 5 feet by 7 feet, which gave me an area of 35 square feet. Now, in order to figure out that percentage, what we need to do is divide the area of our bed by the total area in our room. Now, when I do that, what I get is 0.2243. Now, we are not done here though, because it's still in decimal form. In order to turn it into a percentage, we got to kick this decimal point over 2 times. Remember that. Remember. That gives me 22.43%. So this is pretty much what I am looking for from you. Those 4 things to really make sure that we are hitting for this activity today. Remember, it's utilizing our graph paper. It's also making sure that we're using a straight edge or some kind of a ruler, so that way our measurements and our images come out really nice and neat. And also providing our scale, right? Whether it's 1 inch equals 1 foot, or a 1/2 inch equals a foot, or 1/4 inch, whatever you want to do, let me know what that is, so that way I can tell that you have drawn what's inside your room to scale. And also, most importantly, let's make sure that we're using correct calculations, whether it's using a ruler, just like a calculator, just like Mr. Rodriguez was doing, or if you're going to be doing all the calculations on paper, that's perfectly fine too. As always, if you have questions or confused about anything, please reach out to me, whether it's on Edmodo, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text. I definitely want to help you if you need that kind of assistance. Otherwise, hope you have an excellent day. I'll be talking to you tomorrow. Have a good one.